My name's Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and in this video, we'll talk about the turbine blower. The turbine blower is our highest air volume blower, and it's best for the big projects or wide open spaces, like on golf courses, university campuses, or very large properties. The obvious #1 application for this blower, because it moves so much air, is leaf removal on a large scale. This turbine blower on the Ventrac moves air at a rate of up to 175 miles an hour. And the nozzle has a 360-degree range of motion that can be selected from the operator's seat. We've also added a single caster wheel to the front of the attachment so that it can be run in float and it follows the contour of the ground. And it's equipped with a wraparound steel bumper to protect the nozzle when it's in the down position. The turbine blower attaches to the 4500 tractor using the front hitch arms, the belt-driven PTO, and the 2 front hydraulics. But it is one that also has an additional step to hooking and unhooking, and that's this kickstand here. The reason that's there is so that it places the hitch arms at the right height, so when you're attaching or detaching from the tractor, it's easier. When in operation, you want this kickstand up and pinned in this position. When you go to attach or detach, you'll remove this pin, move the kickstand to a lower level, and then pin it back. When operating the turbine blower, most times you'll have the SDLA lever in float, but it's not necessary. If you want to pick it up, it still will operate out of float. Also, having weight transfer turned off is the normal method for operation, but if the ground is really saturated and wet and you're running with the attachment in float, having weight transfer on it might help that caster wheel from digging in on a sharp turn. The secondary SDLA lever is how you control the direction of the nozzle. A turbine blower on a Ventrac is one of the most effective ways to control leaves and other debris. It's also fast, easy on turf, and with full-time all-wheel drive, the Ventrac can get into places where other vehicles can't. This means you can blow leaves on hillsides, wet terrain, and delicate surfaces, among other places. Anybody that's dealt with high volumes of leaves know that when you have enough leaves that those blowers can't keep up, they build a wall of leaves that you can't blow over or around. At that point, the only way to remove those leaves is to bring a vac truck in or to push them to another area. The leaf plow is one of the simplest attachments in our lineup, but for the very specific task of moving high volumes of leaves, it has the most impact on an operation than any other piece of equipment in the industry. We also designed this to be able to run on the rear of a Ventrac, so you can run them both in tandem. When it comes to large-scale leaf removal, it doesn't get any better than this package right here. Thanks for watching this video on the Ventrac Turbine Blower. For more information on this and other attachments, visit our website at ventrac.com or call your local dealer for a demo.